Hey guys, just getting a little tubing in. This is the Farmington River, in between Unionville and Farmington. Getting tossed around in this section. It's nice. Water is very comfortable. There's gooses on the loose. Trying not to miss this summer. I feel like I missed the last 2 summers before this because I was a depressed, spicy disaster. Oh gosh. Where are we going? Oh boy. Oh, I don't want to go that way. No. Let's see if we can get close to one of these geese and not get our eyes pecked out. Oh. Look at this one. Hi, baby. Hi, do you want to come with me? You can be my pet. We can live forever happy. You love my pet. Did you guys do anything fun this summer? I went to Lake George, and I went to the Androscoggin River up in Maine and New Hampshire. It's pretty here.